I have a 4 panel 100 watt on rooftop, and I'm using a 40 amp charge controller, 30 amp power battery, 500 watt pure sine wave inverter, and auto transfer switch. This auto transfer switch normal wiring is the normal power main is the grid power input, and emergency is for generator and for inverters. So I swipe the connection, so it's become like a semi hybrid inverter which is prioritize the battery mode first. So one very important thing you remember, your inverter must be have the low battery recovery, auto recovery, or high voltage also recovery. Okay, the rest take care by this solar charge controller and your BMS. So in case like this, now the inverter is acting like a normal power, and this switch is prioritize the normal power, is sensing like this is the grid power, and our emergency is actually our grid power. So what happening, I'm utilizing the maximum daylight. Okay, in case the battery get low voltage and inverter get shut down, okay, so you see it transfer to emergency mode, which is actually a grid power. Then the next day when sunshine come and charge controller did a good job, and the battery getting onto the normal voltage and inverter getting recovery back onto his power mode on, so it will back to the inverter. So that is the semi hybrid system. Okay, in the hybrid inverter is actually using relays, but here we using this auto transfer switch. You can use also the relay. That is the one very simple way to turn your simple inverter into hybrid mode. Hybrid mode mean like you can prioritize your inverter to the battery, and the grid become your emergency backup. That is the very simple thing. Just only your inverter have the auto recovery function. So that's it. And this is the switch must be switch on to the auto mode. Okay, that is the thing. Simply convert it into the battery mode. Convert this simple inverter act like a hybrid inverter. Thank you.